Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Bell peppers are not just a visual delight on the plate, they also offer substantial health benefits backed by scientific evidence. This text explores the various advantages of these colorful vegetables, highlighting their beneficial properties and their contribution to disease prevention. Below, we'll present 7 compelling reasons to include bell peppers as an essential part of your daily diet. Bell peppers, in addition to providing vibrant visual appeal, are a rich source of essential nutrients. Scientific evidence supports a range of health benefits associated with the regular consumption of these vegetables. Among their notable properties, bell peppers contain antioxidant compounds such as capsaicin, associated with reducing oxidative stress in the body. Additionally, the presence of vitamins, including vitamin C, strengthens the immune system and contributes to overall health. This paragraph delves deeper into the complexities of bell pepper benefits, highlighting their nutritional versatility and vital role in promoting well-being. At first glance, bell peppers emerge as true unsung heroes for ocular health, especially those with yellow and orange hues. These are rich in zeaxanthin and lutein, pigments that play a crucial role in protecting the eyes against the harmful effects of blue light, thus preventing conditions such as cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. It is interesting to note that these beneficial compounds are not exclusively found in bell peppers, extending to other foods such as melon, carrot, eggs, and salmon, underscoring the importance of these pigments for ocular health across various food sources. Additionally, it is noteworthy that bell peppers play a role as natural mood enhancers, particularly those with red hues, which are abundant in vitamin B6. This vitamin plays a crucial role in mood improvement and alleviating symptoms associated with depression. It is worth noting, however, that while bell peppers are a valuable source of vitamin B6, it is essential to incorporate them into a balanced diet, as they should not be considered the sole source of this essential nutrient. Furthermore, it is crucial to recognize the crucial role played by bell peppers in defense against cellular damage, thanks to the presence of lycopene. This antioxidant pigment, also found in foods such as watermelon, tomato, guava, and pink grapefruit, is particularly notable in red bell peppers. Lycopene acts as an effective fighter against free radicals, contributing to the reduction of the risk of heart disease and strengthening cellular health comprehensively. Incorporating red bell peppers into the diet is thus a promising strategy to promote cardiovascular health and cellular integrity. When it comes to strengthening the immune system, bell peppers stand out due to their richness in vitamin A. This nutrient plays a crucial role in repairing intestinal barriers, thereby reinforcing the body's ability to defend against infections. The regular incorporation of bell peppers into the diet emerges as a significant strategy to boost immunity, contributing to a robust and effective immune response against pathogens. Indeed, red bell peppers, with their vibrant coloring, feature a valuable component called capsaicin. This compound, besides imparting the characteristic color to bell peppers, has been associated with significant benefits. Studies conducted in animals indicate that capsaicin may play an essential role in weight reduction, offering notable improvements in glucose and cholesterol levels. While further research is needed, available data suggests that capsaicin present in red bell peppers may be a valuable contribution for those seeking natural and healthy approaches to weight loss and metabolic health. Additionally, bell peppers feature another noteworthy component, quercetin. This flavonoid is recognized for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which have potential positive impacts on heart health and blood pressure. However, it is worth noting that while bell peppers contribute to the presence of quercetin in your diet, obtaining significant benefits requires a holistic approach with a varied diet that includes different sources of this important flavonoid. Furthermore, it is worth highlighting that red bell peppers, in addition to their impressive pigmentation, are truly rich in vitamin C, surpassing even the amount found in oranges. This vitamin, essential for brain health, plays a crucial role in preventing age-related cognitive decline. The regular inclusion of red bell peppers in the diet can be seen as a promising habit to maintain cognitive health and protect the brain against the effects of aging. To incorporate bell peppers into your diet diversely, one strategy is to add a variety of colors to dishes. Try stuffing bell peppers with a nutritious mixture of beans, brown rice, and vegetables, or use them as tasty ingredients in pizzas, pasta sauces, and omelets. Additionally, bell peppers are great in stir-fries, soups, stews, and can serve as a crunchy accompaniment in wraps and sandwiches. This approach not only enriches the palate, but also offers a wide range of health benefits. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave your like, subscribe to the channel, and until the next video.